Hello, you want to see how I achieve this parsley tea? Watch this video so you don't miss out. This tea, it acts as a detoxifier. It can help cure anemia. It can help control high cholesterol, and it can also help regulate menstruation. It is an immunity booster. At least 2 cups daily can be of help. So here is my 2 handful of parsley leaves properly washed. I'll add to my pot, add water, and I'll take it to my gas cooker. For those of you always returning to watch me, I really appreciate your love and support. If you are new, please subscribe and be a member of the family. Turn on the post notification so that anytime we upload, you'll be notified. So I will allow it to simmer on a low heat for 5 to 7 minutes. So this is it. After 5 to 7 minutes, I turn off the gas. I serve it warm. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Feel free to check my channel out for more recipes like this and more cooking videos. Bye. See you in my next one.